Hi, my name is Jim Mullany from Sitek Process Solutions. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025. I hope everyone's having a great summer. Today I'm doing a prior to ship video of a refurbished Semi-Tool 270S spin rinse dryer. We do not give our customers' names out in this video because they are uploaded to our YouTube channel for their review, but the PO number is AC250142. What I'll go ahead and do is start the tool, then I'll talk about what we did on the tool. The reason I say that, it's kind of a boring process to watch it run. I will note ahead of time, we're running the customer's process. They have it what I would call reversed, which they have a elongated dry 1 at high RPM, 2400, and then a shorter drive 2. That's kind of reverse of a typical SRD process. I'll email them and let them know for reference, but you'll see that in the process when I'm running this tool. So I'll simply start the tool. First, make sure the cassette's in. We're good. And we'll start off with the rinse cycle. There we go. And I put in for the video just a 30-second rinse. The customer had 220 seconds. I'll change that back before this tool gets defacilitized. We'll then go into a purge, which blows the water out of the nozzles. Then we'll go into dry 1, which is normally a short high RPM dry. This customer has 200 seconds, and then we'll go into dry 2, which is a low RPM dry. What this is this customer sent us their tool. We do quite a lot of custom refurbishments. In fact, we receive tools every week from customers around the world. This system is actually going to Switzerland. We do quite a lot internationally, especially all through the UK, Europe, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, France, Belgium, etc. So this system is going through nice and smooth. Part of it, they had a problem with the controller. They were aware of that when they sent it. We did a controller repair. And you cannot see inside of the tool, but we also did the SMC valve upgrades. It had the older discontinued Humphrey valves that we've upgraded to the newer technology SMC valves. When we do a customer's refurbishment, we go through their tool like it was, we're building our own tool. A complete breakdown. All the metal parts are cleaned and electropolished as needed. We repair and replace any defective parts. We replace all new tubing, pneumatic tubing, windows, door seals, etc. As you can see, the tool looks like it's brand new. So it's kind of boring there. So for this system, the customer's already aware. Over the years, we've done other refurbishments and sold them spare parts. So this is called an S model. S is in Sam. We actually have 100% spare parts. We have the motors. We have the replacement controllers, we have the servo amps, we have valving, heater blankets, windows, door seals, etc. Unlike most of the tools we sell, this customer opted not to do the slick device upgrade. That might be because they're not 100% aware of the capabilities, which I'm going to go in more detail. This was actually, project was done through our distributor in Europe, one of our distributors in Europe. So I'm going to go make sure the customer's aware of that and then hopefully see them maybe next month during the summer when I'm doing other installations in Europe. As you can see, we're quite busy in final test. As a quick little glance, we have a couple brand new Semi-Tool Sitek spin rinse dryers. These have the slick device controller I was talking about. You can see a couple other head assemblies that are going through the final test. Hopefully we can get all these cleared out by Friday or Monday because we have a whole new set of rinser dryers rolling in that we just need room in our final test. We traditionally are pretty busy in here because we do so many rinser dryers. If you go to, let's see, we have 60 seconds left in dry 1. As you can see, it's 2400 RPM. Very smooth though for 2400. Most customers keep it around 18 to 2000 RPM. But again, this is very smooth and it could be a specific drying requirement the customer has that I'm just not aware of at this time. If you go to our website at sitekprocess.com, you'll see that we offer, we have tabs for all the Semi-Tool spin rinse dryer parts. The S model, we have a tab for all the spare parts that I just described. Also the F as in Frank model. It looks like this, but it uses a brush motor. We have 100% spare parts for that. And we do support the traditional ST units that are supplied around the world. Okay, we have about 15 seconds. And I'll see. For reference, our serialization, every time we do a rebuild for all warranty work and future tracking work, this is model number 270S, SRD number 01757. It is going to Switzerland, but it is 110/120 volt. Okay, we're ramping down to 100 RPM. Now it'll ramp back up in a second. That's this controller, the capabilities of it. I thought it was 100. Maybe I might be off on that. Looks like it's a little lower. We'll see. So with the spin wrench dryers, we obviously have the full line of semi-tool product. We also are the owner of the Vertec product line. We purchased Vertec about 5 years ago. We do Vertec spin wrench dryers, all the spare parts, lots of refurbishments. I know on the other side of the walls, I can see a Vertec out there that's being refurbished, that's waiting to come in. Oh, they must have had their RPM down to 50. That's why. Besides the spin wrench dryers, we have some other wet processing tools that we do at Sitek. We are the main supplier of all spare parts and systems for the HTC box washer. That'd be the 8000, 8010, 8020, 8030. We act as the OEM at this point to support the tools because they're no longer supported. We have all the parts needed for that. We also offer new box washers. We also do quite a lot of the single wafer mask and wafer scrubbers. That would be the Ultra T, Ultra Tech. And we can supply new mask scrubbers also. So we round out our wet processing with our final product, which is our wet sinks. We have a full line of wet processing tools that complement the spin wrench dryers in the fab. Traditionally, we've been known for 20 years as the main SRD supplier around the world. Now we've moved into other wet processing categories over the last couple of years. Okay. Oh, sorry, that was the time. And we just finished. So, at the end of the cycle, the RSP, which was upright to home position, you didn't hear the door release, but I did. Let me open it. There we go. Feel the heat, nice and warm, yep. Cassette, nice and dry. Let me just show you because we don't do a lot of the 102s in the sense pretty much everyone upgrades to the slick device. What the process was, let me go to here. Step 1 was a 400 RPM 30-minute rinse. Step 2 was 2,000 RPM for 10 seconds for the purge. Step 3 was the 2,400 RPM at 200 seconds. And step 4 was actually 600 RPM at 100 seconds. That's what I was counting down. I apologize for that. And go back there. So this will conclude this very short prior to shipment video of a customer system that we did a complete refurbishment of. If there's any questions, you can feel free to call us at 916-797-9000 and ask for anyone in our sales department and or our distributors. Also, on any of our product pages on our website, there's a contact sales button. You can actually contact sales, add a couple small amounts of information in there. We'll receive an email and get back to you as soon as possible. Again, my name is Jim Mullany. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, 2025, and I hope everyone has a great summer. Thank you.